Besides working out, food is the most important for gaining or losing weight. The BeFit Macro Tracker app is the new of its kind. It helps you track your daily food intakes as per your goal. The BeFit Macro Tracker app is a clean, fast, and ad-free app that helps you provide the best experience possible. First, install the app. Then log in using Google or Apple ID. Enter the basic information and you are good to go. Click on the plus icon to add your intake. Just search your desired food, add the intake unit, and boom! You can also add food as your favorite for easier access. To know about weekly intakes, check the graph option just by pressing the graph icon. Intake history is also available from the history icon. Need a custom diet chart or any suggestions? Use feedback. Be healthy, be fit, and use BeFit Macro Tracker.